Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So आज मैं ले आई हूँ एक और नई वीडियो which is about less known features of HTML. So here you can see there are 5 features which we are discussing today in this video. So stay tuned, stay connected with me. Okay, now we have to start it. Here there is a simple HTML file in which I have simply written a title, less known features of HTML, a link which is a style sheet, style.css, and this style sheet contains some basic styles, so we will be seeing that later on. Now moving on to the main section of this body of this web page. First of all, the feature is the tag is ABBR tag, which refers to the abbreviation of a word. For example, we have hypertext markup language. We can write HTML, which is the short form, which is the abbreviation in the tag, and in the title section, we have to write the full form of that particular word. Here I have written hypertext markup language, and below it we have written cascading style sheet. We can also make use of it depending upon the situation, depending upon the content, that we can add more words like this. Okay, now moving on to the second tag, which is KBD. Okay, first of all, we have to check the output of this ABBR. So checking its preview, it's like this. Now, when we hover on it, it is showing us hypertext markup language. When we hover on CSS, it is showing us cascading style sheet. Okay, so now we have to understand what is KBD. It's basically a keyboard shortcut. It is used for telling the browser that the content inside this tag contains the keyboard shortcuts. For example, we use Control plus S, Control plus A to save the document, to select all. So we can use these tags so that the browser should know that this particular word is a keyboard shortcut. It enhances the SEO of a web page simply. Now checking on its output, we have simply written press Ctrl plus S to save this file. We have simply written press Ctrl plus A to select all. Now we can also style it like this. I have styled it already, but I've commented it now. You can see this. We have distinguished is from the rest of the text, and it's looking pretty good, so you can do this. Moving on to the third tag, which is BDI, bidirectional isolation tag. अब ये क्या करता है, ये ब्राउज़र को बताता है कि इस टैग के अंदर जो भी कंटेंट है वो उसकी अपनी कोई खसूसियत हो सकती है, वो किसी और अदर लैंग्वेज का हो सकता है। जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लिखा है द अरब्स यूजुअली से मरहबा। सो मरहबा को हमने डाला है BDI टैग में, ताकि ब्राउज़र समझ सके ओके दिस इज़ नॉट द वर्ड ऑफ एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज विच इज़ मोस्ट यूजुअली यूज्ड लैंग्वेज इन वेब पेजेस। लेकिन अगर हम कोई अरेबिक का वर्ड कर रहे हैं, उर्दू का वर्ड है, या फिर किसी और भी लैंग्वेज का है, तो हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं ताकि ब्राउज़र की बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सके। Now moving on to the fourth tag, it's basically not a tag, it's an attribute basically, which is content editable. You might not be familiar with it because I came to know about it very later. Although I was continuously learning HTML for a long time, but there are some attributes and tags hidden so much. So that's why this video is named as less known features of HTML. So what does it do? As I've written, your name, colon, span, content editable, true, John Doe. John Doe is basically, a dummy name we usually use in web pages applications. You can add this your name instead of it. Now checking its preview. So it's like that. Okay, your name John Doe. Now when I click on it, I can edit it. Okay, I am going to write here Rita Fatima. You can write your name as well. So it usually works like this. Okay, but what if I do it false? False. Now I cannot edit it. It is not allowing me to edit. But when I do true, it means now we can edit the content. We can write here Ali or something else. Okay, we are moving towards our fifth attribute, which is basically spell check. It checks the spelling and underline in red if it is wrong. And now how it works, when we have added content editable true, then it will work only, because क्योंकि ये हमें कह रहा है कि we have to edit some content. अगर हम इस content को edit करते वक्त कुछ भी गलत लिखते हैं, पहले से भी कुछ गलत लिखा हुआ है, तो वो इसको correct करने में हमारी मदद करेगा. Now have a look at it on browser. We can clearly see that the wrong word, which is not spelled correctly, is underlined in red color. It is also wavy line, so we can edit it. As long as we'll correct it, the underline will disappear. Now it is in a very good manner. So these five were the attributes and the tags that are less known features of HTML. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, thumbs up. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep exploring with me, with your teammates, with your colleagues. And if you want to learn more about these tags, when we are hovering over it, it give us MDN reference. You can click on it and can learn more about it. And if you wanna see these styles, you can see them also. What I've done here is I've specified that only the paragraphs with the attribute which have attribute content editable will have with max content. So hope you all enjoyed this video. See you soon. Jazakallah.